This video is just strictly for eyeshadow. I've already done my eyebrows and I'm probably going to do my foundation and all that off of camera. I've just been getting a lot of DMs and things like that about the way I do my eyeshadow. So today I am just going to be showing you guys about my eyeshadow and just show you like the products that I use. So today I'm going to be using the Morphe palette 35R, the Jaclyn Hill palette, and two Juvia palettes, the Zulu Ball and the Warrior. So those are the 4 palettes I'm going to be using to do my eyeshadow today. So just stay tuned and watch. So let's just get into it. First, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the color Cashe. So this is what I normally use so my eyeshadow can stand out. So I'm going to take this with this brush here. It's like a flat brush, as you guys can see here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to just put it all over the lid. And this is what's going to make your eyeshadow stand out, depending on what colors you use. So I had a look yesterday that I did, which I'm probably not going to do today, but I'm going to put that, actually show you guys right here. That's what I did yesterday, and in order for me to achieve that, this is what I have to do with this concealer right here, just to make it like this really light color. My Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and this is what I do to set the eye after I add the concealer. Palette, and this is palette 35R, and this is going to be my transition, like warmer tones like this here and this here. I'm so pissed at this, I'm not even going to elaborate on that. But do some glitter, like from the inner corner out, or you can leave it like this and just make sure that you blend it really, really well. I'm also gonna add a little bit of purple because sometimes, you know, that when you see a sunset, it has like that pinkish, purplish look, and I am in love with when the sky looks like that. So I'll be trying to get my eyes to look like that. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look right here, and I did do like kind of like a ombre lip. I did do a chocolate with a nude on top, but this is the finished look right here. So let me zoom in for you so you guys can see. And I also did put some of that burgundy at the bottom of the eyelid, so there you go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.